Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to compare two popular air fryers, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus and the Chefman TurboFry Touch. You'll see both products side by side as we go through the features and benefits of each. If you're new here, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel for more product reviews. Let's get started. Both the Instant Pot Vortex Plus and the Chefman TurboFry Touch are priced at $99, making them affordable options for an 8-quart air fryer. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus boasts a 6-in-1 functionality with the ability to air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat. The Chefman TurboFry Touch has 4 one-touch preset cooking functions for popular dishes like French fries, chicken, fish, and meat. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus uses Even Crisp technology, which drives airflow top-down for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. The Chefman TurboFry Touch has a built-in lead shake reminder with an alarm, which alerts you when it's time to shake the basket for even crisping. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus has a temperature range of 95 to 400 degrees F, providing a lot of versatility in cooking. The Chefman TurboFry Touch has a cooking temperature range of 200 to 400 degrees F, which is still a good range for cooking various dishes. Both products claim to be able to serve 4 to 6 people. However, the Chefman TurboFry Touch has an 8-quart capacity, making it perfect for feeding the whole family. Both products have a Dishwasher-Safe air fry basket and tray for easy cleanup. Additionally, the Chefman TurboFry Touch has an exterior that easily wipes down with a cloth. Both products have built-in safety features like overheat protection and automatic shut-off. The Chefman TurboFry Touch is CETL approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability and comes with a 1-year assurance from the manufacturer. Thanks for watching. As you can see, both the Instant Pot Vortex Plus and the Chefman TurboFry Touch have their own unique features and benefits to offer. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews.